afternoon, everybody. My name's Aaron Lindholm. I'm the owner of Veloci Performance. Today, we're going to give you a little tour of our warehouse and production facilities. We're going to start off here, though. This is the main picking and packing area for all of the products that our customers get from us. We've got our shipping lines over here. And yeah, this is the main area, main hub of the business, day in and day out. This is where all the buzz is happening. There's about 15,000 square feet up here of primary picking area. Now, as we walk from sort of the main picking and packing area, we start to transition more into our overstock, our assembly and warehouse space for the business. About 40% of our revenue is derived from assembly work or manufactured goods here. And the other 53% is your standard pick and pack. So now we're gonna transition into a little noisier area, but our manufacturing and assembly area back here. For about the last 2 years, we've been working on getting our CNC machine and manufacturing capabilities turned up. And in February of 2023, we turned these machines on and started hose manufacturing and CNC machining. Currently, we're machining and manufacturing fittings, couplers and plugs, namely. We do hose manufacturing here. We do a lot of testing. This is a burst chamber. We're doing basically safety testing. We ramp up the pressure on our hoses and see if we can get them up to 15, 18,000 PSI, which no customers are using our hoses that high, but it's a safety rating factor. So we're basically safety testing them up to really high PSIs in this tank. And this is another side of the business that we talked about. We do a lot of assembly work, so kitting of items, putting fittings onto guns, putting fittings onto hoses, assembling lances, combining products so that the end user is getting a complete setup. Part of our automated assembly process, we've got our automated robotics here for assembling couplers. I think is absolutely awesome. Thank you for joining us today on this tour of Veloci Performance Products. We're super proud to partner with our dealers and our customers, and let us know if there's anything we can do to support you in your business.